What is going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm gonna be doing the installation video of the engine bay cover. This one comes with the Accord emblem. It's in a carbon fiber look with a nice race red or rally red paint on it, and I'm gonna show you how you install that on the Accord 1.5 2018-2019 model. It's very easy, so let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright guys, so the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the oil cap off, because the engine cover goes under this, so you want to go ahead and remove that first. This seller basically provided some tools, which is really good because it has a 10mm on one side and a 12mm on the other side. Nice wrench, and then this is what you're going to need. You need to remove two 10mm bolts and a 12mm bolt on the engine, and you're going to replace them with these stands or studs, whatever you want to call them, and you basically just pop the cover on top of these. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. The very first screw you want to remove is this one right here, right where this clip is, or where this little tube or hose or wiring harness is. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I had already loosened it up, so I'm just going to finish it off with my hand here. And you want to be very careful and cautious on which stud you put where. As you notice, this one here is a small screw, so the stud that has no socket at the end or whatnot, at least this is the one that they provided, goes on this one because it's much shorter. I'm going to show you the other one, which is longer, and that's how you determine it, just by the length, and you know which one goes where. But the shorter one goes right here, because if you notice, the one that does come with a 10mm bolt on top, mounted, soldered on or whatnot, whatever you want to call it, and that goes on the other side, where I'm going to show you. And then there's a similar one like this one, but it's a 12mm, which I have already mounted, and I'm going to show you where that one goes. Alright guys, so the next 10mm is going to be right where this connector is. You're going to remove this one right here. Do not remove the one that's above it. I did that mistake prior to this video, and yeah, it's a waste of time. So as you see, this one's much longer, so that's where you're going to put the long stud one. It's going to go in this one here. So that's where that goes, and if you notice, the one on the back is right here. So just follow this hose. You're going to see here it's the only one that's a 12mm. You're going to remove the bolt, do the same thing, put this stud here, and go ahead and tighten it. You can use a supply tool or use your own socket wrench or whatever tool that makes it easier for you. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this one using the supply tool. And that one's nice and tight. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. We're going to go ahead and put the engine cover. We're going to snap it in place, and we'll show you how everything looks nice and perfect. Guys, so I'm going to go ahead and snap in the engine cover. All you have to do is align the rubber grommets that are below, like this one here, and there's one on the far end. I'm going to go ahead and line it up, and you're going to press down. Go ahead and align the other one. That's stuck in place. So you hear a nice little suction. That's when you know it's ready. I'm going to take a far end shot, and also guys, I'm going to go ahead and present in this video, we're going to be doing a giveaway, so stay to the end so you guys can see what the details are. We're going to be doing a nice giveaway from one of my subscribers. They went ahead and wanted to donate this to the channel, and we're gonna go ahead and do the giveaway for you guys. Thought it was really great, so thanks for that subscriber, and let's go ahead and wrap this up and provide the details. Alright guys, so this finalizes the installation of the engine bay cover. I want to go ahead and show you the final look. Just complements the pure oil intake that I have on there, and just completes overall the engine bay on how it was supposed to look. Don't forget to put your engine cap back on there, and that is it. So the details for the giveaway is going to be these trim covers that are right here, which go right below the fog light intercooler area, which is right above also the lip spoiler. So this trim right here, it's a 3-piece. We're gonna go ahead and be doing a giveaway of that. It's not gonna be mine, of course. It's gonna be a brand new one. Like I said, one of the followers on my channel donated it, and we're gonna go ahead and give it away. And the details for that is just basically like this video, drop a comment just letting me know what's the best feature you like about my car and what's the one that you dislike most, and then we'll go ahead and take it from there. We'll go ahead and announce the winner on one of the videos, and that's how we're gonna play this. So get started, guys. Go ahead and drop your comment, like, share, and subscribe as always. Thanks for watching. Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.